A group of lions failed to defeat 3 buffaloes for years. But one small rumor did what sharp teeth never could. Near a quiet jungle river lived 3 buffaloes. They were best friends. One was strong. One was intelligent. One was calm. And because they always stayed together, even lions stayed away from them. Whenever danger came, the buffaloes stood shoulder to shoulder. The lions tried many times to attack, but failed. Every single time, one hungry lion finally said, "We cannot defeat their strength unless we first divide their hearts." So the lions began spreading whispers. To the strong buffalo they said, "The intelligent one thinks you are foolish." To the intelligent buffalo they whispered, "The calm one secretly wants to lead the group." And to the calm buffalo they said, "The other 2 laugh at you behind your back." Slowly, trust began to crack. The buffaloes stopped eating together, stopped walking together, stopped talking properly. Small misunderstandings became silent distance. One evening, the strong buffalo wandered alone. That night, the lions attacked him. The next day, the intelligent buffalo disappeared too. And a few days later, the calm buffalo stood alone near the river, surrounded by lions. Before the attack, he looked at the water quietly and whispered, "We were never defeated by lions. We were defeated by separation." The jungle became silent after that. And from that day, many animals taught their children, an enemy outside is dangerous, but division inside is deadly. Unity protects even against powerful enemies. Rumors destroy relationships faster than truth builds them. Silence and ego can break even the strongest friendships. Most people are not defeated by weakness, but by disconnection.